Brothers and sisters, today I have been bound to make this video for y'all. As you see in the caption, the new Facebook scam is out and targeting innocent guys. Like, for example, I'll tell you, one of my friends have been targeted, but he was smart enough to get out of it before the conversation had started. I have some I have taken out a screenshot of the messages and I am going to show you in the video. Please be aware, this has taken place on Facebook. Let me just tell you how it all started. Okay. Now, he received a message, hi, hello, just like any normal. At the beginning, he got certain amount of calls, I think 4 or 5 times, and then like a normal person messaging, hi, hello. So he received the call, okay, and before any talk could take place, the female behind was very quick. She went back, tried she tried opening her hair. My friend was smart enough, he disconnected the call, and instantly a message came up. Let's do stuff. I can't use any of those words. It is foul. So it was like that. Let's do stuff. Immediately my friend understood that this is a scam, a total scam. Because guys, let me tell you one thing: nothing comes for free, and nothing comes easy. Okay, a person who is desperate will never approach you like this, or only a person who, what I'm trying to say is, only a person who is trying to put you down, or trying to do something, or try to scam you, will start off a conversation like this. So let me just tell you what had happened. These things took place. They are basically here to get you on to a place, to a spot where, and they will show you everything. They will show you everything. And when your nudity pictures or whatever has been captured by their phones, I'm sorry, you're caught. You're trapped. You're literally trapped. They will demand for money. They will demand for money. If you don't give, they will say that they're going to put it up on Facebook, on this, that, social media, just to extract money from you. Guys, this has been going on from a long time. There are many news. The police have also given statements and have said in the news, beware, aware of people like them. Do not get involved in any calling or anything like this. So guys, I am only here. I have just started my channel newly, and I just want to share a few things, is that please do not fall into these traps. I have a friend who has fallen once, but he was smart enough to come out. So that is why, with his experience, I am telling you, and I have read news. It is very sad that today the youngsters are not reading the news. Instead of that, they're watching videos that are meaningless. They're wasting their time on videos that are meaningless instead of watching things that will support them in the future. They'll be aware of. My friend was unaware, but he was smart enough that he got saved. What if he had to be a fool? What would have happened? Think about it. Before you receive any call as such, please follow up, be smart, and do not fall into the trap of the evil, because they will only ruin you. They do not care whether you live or you die. They will just take the money, and while they are enjoying, you will be suffering. This is a humble request, just an awareness video. I am not a professional. Again, I'm telling you, I am not a professional. I've just started my videos, my YouTube channel. I'm not here for fame. This is just an awareness video. If you need any proof, I have the screenshot. You can see it. That's it. And please be aware. Y'all all are my family. I am also a part of y'all's families. I do not want to see anything getting destroyed anywhere. The COVID has already destroyed many of us. Please do not fall into foolish traps. Jai Hind. And please do not forget to wear on your mask. Be a responsible citizen. Wear on your mask and use hand sanitizer and everything that is involved for the COVID. Anyway, see you guys. Have a good day. And please be aware. Thank you.